We'll guide you through how to create architecture models in Blender using the latest features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop and start by creating a new project. You should see the default cube in the center of your workspace. Delete this by selecting it and pressing the X key. Now, let's import a floor plan to guide your modeling. Go to the top menu, click on File, then Import, and choose Image as Planes. Navigate to your saved floor plan image and import it into the scene. Use the Scale tool, which you can access with the S key, to adjust the size of the image to match real-world proportions. Next, switch to the top orthographic view by pressing the number 7 on your numeric keypad. This view will help you accurately trace over the floor plan. Now, add a mesh for the walls. Go to Add in the top menu, select Mesh and then Plane. Scale this plane to match the length of a wall in your plan. Enter Edit mode by pressing Tab, then use the E key to extrude the edges of the plane to follow the outline of your floor plan. Continue extruding until you've traced all the walls. Once your walls are in place, you can add windows and doors. Use the Loop Cut tool, which you can access by pressing Ctrl+R, to create divisions in your wall mesh where the openings will be. Select the faces you want to remove and hit X to delete them, creating the openings. For added detail, you can add window frames and doors by creating smaller meshes and positioning them in the openings. Switch back to object mode using Tab when you're done. Lastly, apply materials and textures by selecting the walls, going to the Material Properties panel, and choosing or creating a new material. Adjust colors and textures to your liking to give your model a realistic look. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.